Portable Playard for use indoors and outside. Most compact folding outdoor playard, versus the leading competitor. Easy setup and take down within seconds with a one-step fold. Mesh sides allow airflow for your child's comfort and provide visibility. Zippered activity door for easy in and out. For indoor or outdoor use, the Graco Pack N-Play LiteTraveler Playard folds up compactly for easy travel and storage. The LiteTraveler is the most compact folding outdoor playard, versus the leading competitor, featuring a one-step setup and fold for easy use. This extra-large playard can be used like a baby gate to create a spacious play area for your living room or a roomy and safe outdoor play space for your backyard or deck. Airy mesh sides help keep your child in sight as they play, while a zippered activity door allows for easy in and out. It features durable, removable fabrics that are machine washable for easy cleaning. Includes a travel bag with shoulder strap for on-the-go convenience. Top reviews from the United States. I wish they'd made playpens like this when I was raising kids. Got this to keep my new grandgirl safe from two silly, galumphing golden retrievers. Its sides are high enough that the dogs won't be tempted to jump over it or in it. The pups can still look at the baby and she can interact with them without being knocked over by the dog's enthusiasm. Super easy setup. It really couldn't be any easier. Fold up is just as easy, and it comes with its own stuff sack for easy storage and transport. Will be great to bring on camping trips, or just about anywhere you want to easily create a safe space for your little one. Note: other than the thin washable fabric across the bottom, there isn't any padding at the bottom. I bought a pad, B083WTVTCD, to put in the bottom. Not only gives the playard padding, but makes any cleanup a bit easier, too. Pull up the pad and toss it in the washer. I wish they'd made playpens like this when I was raising kids.